What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I know it's been a while since I've last uploaded a video. Recently I started a new job here in town, so I'm transitioning my sleep schedule from graveyard to day shift, and we pretty much got that dialed in. So now we can, post more content. It's been raining in town lately, so I haven't really been in the mood to upload, and I'm truly sorry for that. This is just an update video of what's been going on, and then we got a huge announcement at the end of the video. But I want to show you guys something. We've got a full wrap from Paradox Rap. You can check him out at Paradox Rap Styles online, or his YouTube channel at Paradox Raps. This is the Gloss Millennium Jade Green right here. So we got another project upcoming. No, it's not for the Corvette. I wouldn't mind that color. It's actually a pretty nice color, but it's already taken, as you can see. And then, I just want to give you guys updates on the C5 and the bike. Also with the C5, we went ahead and picked up some Loring bolts from VMS Racing. Focus. They're out in Florida. It was about 50 bucks for the kit. Pretty fast shipping. I ordered Friday, got it Monday, so I was happy for that. Plans for the FXRT fairing. I want to put the speedometer, gas, and voltage on the fairing, so I want to get that fabbed up. The guy that I did find to do it, he's out of state and currently booked right now, so we gotta wait until he has time to go ahead and squeeze us into his schedule, and so we can get that dialed in. As you guys may know too, I'm not running any radio or anything. I will be using a Bluetooth amp with the amp controller for the music as well. Also, an update on the bike. The homie is parting out one of his bikes. He has I forget what year it is. I think it's like a 13 or something, but it is a 103. So he is parting out his cam, throttle body, and intake. So we should be picking it up soon. So that's what we got planned. Also for the bike, we're just waiting for him to take it off, and then I need to get it tuned. I'm leaning more towards the Thundermax tuner. I heard they're easy. It's just plug and play. You tell them what you have on your bike, and they go ahead and map that out for you and send you the tuner for that. So that's also in the works for the C5. So we got some more. C5. For the bike, so we got some content coming on with the bike too. I know some of my subscribers are here for the Harley bikes, and the rest of them are here for the C5. So, we got plans for both coming up, but we're just knocking each one, one at a time as we get the parts for the bike or the Corvette. We also got a ceramic coat kit that we're going to be using. I've never really tried it, but I'm gonna do my research on it. I want to bring the C5 paint back to factory look, have it look nice and shiny and glossy. Also for the wrap, we've got a fog light kit that my cousin's going to be wanting to get installed, so that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be wrapping the car. I told her don't watch any videos on the channel because I don't want her to see anything. I want to get her reaction when we're done with it. So I told her stay off of YouTube, stay off of my channel especially, and then when the car is done, then we'll go ahead and bring her over, and then we'll go ahead and do a reaction video. So stay tuned for that as well. I want to see her reaction on how she likes the wrap on her car. Her car is I think it's like a 2019 or something, Toyota Camry. I am. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get that thing wrapped and get her reaction as soon as we get that thing done. Alright guys, so if you stayed throughout the whole video, huge shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for catching up and checking in. So now we're finally going to be getting to the announcement that I promised you guys earlier in the video, and that's to announce that we're finally doing the giveaway, 1,000 sub giveaway. There's only 3 steps that you need to follow. I need you to go ahead and like this video now, subscribe of course, and then comment down below that you subscribe, and that'll be your entry for the giveaway. Also follow me on Instagram as well. It's down in the description below. So before we get to revealing what we're going to be doing the giveaway for, I just want to say this is my personal items that I was going to use for myself. But since it's a season, I want to go ahead and give back to you guys who have been, supporting me since the start of the channel and supporting me now, and giving the channel a chance and checking out the content that I have providing for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into what the giveaway is going to be. This is a whole Memphis setup. You guys might have seen it in a recent video before, but like I said, this was my personal items that I was going to use for myself. But I just want to go ahead and give it back to somebody on the channel. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the Mojo tweeters. These are bullet tweeters. Everything in this is brand new. I've only opened it to check it out. Everything is brand new. It's not been used. So this is a full setup. You guys can use it in your car, your bike, your jet ski, your boat, whatever it is that you have, whatever that you would like to have this thing in. These are all brand new and ready to go. Like I said, it's a Bluetooth It's got a Bluetooth amp. We'll get to the amp in just a minute. We got the Mojo bullet tweeters, as they call it. Here's the tweeters here. Memphis Audio. These things are heavy duty. The magnet on these things are huge, so I'm sure that these are going to push out some good quality sound. Also, we have the Memphis Bluetooth amp. This thing comes with a harness. You can run it on your phone or on the remote itself that it comes with. Everything is brand new and has not been used. So 6.5 Memphis speakers. It comes with a white face and a gray face, also with the LED strip so you can run lights with them. These will look nice on a boat, of course, or jet ski if you're riding at night, or on your bike too as well if you're showing these out. These are brand new as well, got everything in it with the speakers, the white or the gray, whatever you choose. And last but not least, we have the, what are these, 6x9s. Same thing with the white face and gray face with the LED strips inside. If you guys want a chance to go ahead and win these, do me a favor, go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment down if you have subscribed. Also follow me on Instagram, and as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll go ahead and pick a winner and get this thing shipped out to you. Again, thank you guys so much for your continued support, and check out the channel, and stay tuned for more content. Like I said, we got a wrap job coming up soon. We've got hopefully cams and the intake for the bike, and then we're going to be lowering the C5 on those lowering bolts and try those out before we go ahead and get some coilovers. I'm still going to get coilovers, but for now I just want to go ahead and try these lowering bolts out and see how they go. And then we got more content, more plans on the C5 as well. So thank you guys again for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe now, enter the giveaway. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers so we can go ahead and get this thing out already. 2022 is next week, so we got some plans coming up, and you know, I want to be able to grow this channel with you guys. So thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.